Hi, I want to show you how I was using books in third and fourth grade reading and writing using Kindle Cloud Reader, which I really like. Now, it looks almost exactly the same on the iPad, but I'm going to show you how it works on the computer or a Chromebook, just because that's what I'm more familiar with, but it looks pretty much the same. If you use it on the iPad, it also has the added ability of being able to use the audiobooks. It looks like if you're on a Chromebook or a PC, you won't be able to get the audiobook connection. I never did that, but it does look really cool. Let me show you how I would go about doing it. I need the Kindle Read app thing, Kindle Cloud Reader. And you can add it in to your Chromebook, or you can just go here, read.amazon.com, and it's going to ask you to log in using your account. Now, this is my personal account that I was using when I was doing third and fourth grade, and you can see that I have a lot of books, a lot of graphic novels, and a lot of really cool things to go in here. I was just a moment ago, I was looking at one of my favorite books, The Little House. And what's nice about this is it has picture books and novels, and you can read as you're sitting here and go on through on each page and read the little story. And it's really cool that you can use it on the computer. What's nice is when I go to buy these books, say I want to buy this Ophelia and the Marvelous Boy. Oops. I go on Amazon. Ophelia and the Marvelous Boy. And I go and look at the price. If I wanted one book, it costs $7, my one physical book. I can also buy this on Kindle for $6, so $1 cheaper already. And I can buy the Audible with it if I wanted to make the total price about $11. And there's a couple of things that I like. If I buy the paperback, I only get one copy of it, and only one kid can read it at a time. If I buy the Kindle app, the Kindle version, I buy it, I get it instantly, I'll never have it lost, and 6 kids can read it simultaneously. So when one kid says, "Oh, I really like this book, you should try it," they can easily go and get it for someone else. Let me show you what it looks like. And also, the graphic novels are so beautiful when you read them this way. They're not as good probably on this video, but man, when you read them on the iPad, they are beautiful. This is apparently I'm in the middle of this book. I don't even remember reading it, but I know that this was a very popular choice with a lot of my students, and the art it looks so good when it comes out of here. It's also really great for doing book clubs and book circles. When I did that, though, I would often have to buy 2 or 3 copies of the Kindle book, still ahead from where I was before, just because if I wanted more than 6 people reading the book, I would have to do that. When I can do this, and what's nice is if students go in and do this, they can't go in and buy things because it's separate, or at least it was. At least I hope it is. Because I think if they go to Kindle Store, they have to re-log in. I'm not super sure about that, and I wasn't an issue with third and fourth grade, though it might be an issue with older. What I would probably do is set up a school account or a dummy Amazon account to just use all my books, and then I would probably just buy things using gift cards, making sure that my gift card balance stayed really low, which is, I understand, annoying, but it has a lot of benefits that you wouldn't necessarily have without doing it this way. I hope that makes sense. You can doing the Audible connection where you can like switch from listening to reading also sounds really good, but I'm not as familiar with that, and I'd have to try it out on an iPad. I'll see if I have time for it another time so that I can show you guys. I hope that makes sense, and good luck.